So I wanted to do a video to show you how to fully troubleshoot the 0206 Honda CRV dome light assembly. The first issue that we have is that this sunglass holder is broken. A lot of times they're missing when I see them in the salvage yard. There is unfortunately not a great way to repair that. You'll see that there are two spots where there are mounting bolts here underneath the sunglass holder, and then there's another two underneath the lens here. These bolts are, I sized them with this bolt sizer. They are an M5. What I've noticed sometimes, for whatever reason, those bolts are missing, and there's one missing. So the assembly will be a little bit loose up in the headliner, and that maybe they work their way out over time. You'll probably need to get this lens off if you're troubleshooting the bulbs or anything with the switches here. So there's two slots here on either side. You just pry that off with a small screwdriver. I have this one removed already. And then you'll see the spots for the other two mounting holes there. Just make sure that you have it fully mounted. And the next thing we would look at is troubleshooting the light bulbs themselves. I brought you over to my bench testing setup. I have 12 volts and 0.6 amps on these. That's about the right settings you need to troubleshoot the lights here. Okay, you listen for the light switch to click. If you have an issue with the switch itself, there is an assembly on the back here that could go bad, and it connects to the larger part of the board where the electrical connector is, and these are the rear holders for the light bulbs. Sometimes this whole plate gets loose. It looks like it's just plastic welded here in two spots to hold this plate on, and sometimes it gets loose there, and that way that's a symptom that you'll have play on the button, like it won't like press, like you can't engage the switch. So it could be a couple things. It could be the switch itself or just this plate delaminated. I think that you could probably epoxy this if you needed to. I will put OEM part numbers in the description. There's 3 different versions of this dome light. There's a gray one, a brown one. This is the 05, the 06. That's a tan version, as well as links to eBay in the description. I hope that helps. We'll see you next time.